Welcome to this video about the program delivery phase. After watching this video, you will be able to define the goals of the program delivery phase, describe program delivery phase activities. We learned in the program lifecycle overview that the program delivery phase begins after the program management plan is reviewed and formally approved. As outlined in the program management plan, the delivery phase comprises all activities required to develop the program's products or services. In this video, you will learn about the three subphases in the delivery phase and the critical activities that must be performed in each subphase. The three subphases are component authorization and planning, component oversight and integration, component transition and closure. The component authorization and planning subphase focuses on establishing program components and ensuring they are aligned with a program's strategic objectives. This involves defining, authorizing, and planning the individual components, projects, or subprograms that will deliver the program's intended benefits. The component oversight and integration subphase focuses on integrating and coordinating the components to achieve synergy and maximize overall program performance. This phase involves the ongoing management, monitoring, and control of the program components to ensure they are delivering the intended benefits and progressing as planned. To close out a component appropriately, you must verify that your stakeholders accept the deliverables from all components and transition the related operations appropriately. This phase focuses on delivering the final outputs and ensuring they are transitioned effectively to operations or the next phase of the program. A number of critical activities must be completed in each program delivery subphase. Let's explore these activities. The component authorization and planning subphase consists of 4 activities: defining component scope, planning, authorization, integration, and alignment. Let's understand more about these activities. When defining component scope, the program manager clearly outlines each component's objectives, deliverables, and boundaries. The individual business cases developed to support each component influences these definitions. During planning, the program manager develops detailed plans and processes for each component, including schedules, budgets, and finance. Quality, resource requirements, risk management, resource management, procurement, and communication strategies. The program governance plan provides additional guidance to achieve this goal. In the authorization activity, the program manager secures formal approval and commitment of resources for the components. This allows the manager to respond to events that require significant replanning or new component initiation requests. The integration and alignment activity ensures that each component's plans are aligned with the overall program strategy and objectives. This ensures that all component plans are integrated in a manner that realizes the benefits expected from the program. The component oversight and integration subphase consists of 5 activities: oversight, integration, risk and issue management, change management, reporting. Let's understand more about these activities. In the oversight activity, the program manager continuously monitors the performance of each component to ensure it stays on track with respect to scope, schedule, budget, and quality. The manager initiates periodic quality audits and inspections of program deliverables to ensure they conform to requirements and are fit for use. During the integration activity, the program manager coordinates the activities and outputs of the components to ensure they work together effectively and efficiently. In addition, the manager closely administers resources to ensure they are available when needed for all program components. During the risk and issue management activity, the program manager identifies, escalates, and resolves issues and risks that may impact the program's success. In the change management activity, the program manager initiates a controlled change to the program components to ensure alignment with program goals and benefits. During the reporting activity, the program manager provides regular status updates and reports on the program's progress to the stakeholders. Some components may produce benefits individually, while others must be integrated before the associated benefits are realized. The component transition and closure subphase also consists of 5 activities: transition planning, closure, benefits realization, lessons learned, stakeholder engagement. Let's understand more about these activities. In transition planning, the program manager develops and implements plans to smoothly transition component outputs to operational use or the next program phase. During closure, the program manager initiates all essential closure activities for each component. This includes final deliverable acceptance, resource release, and documentation updates. This addresses the need for ongoing activities, such as product support, service management, and user engagement to ensure ongoing benefits are achieved. In benefits realization, the program manager confirms that the expected benefits from each component have been delivered and are aligned with the overall program benefits. The manager reviews the final status with the program sponsor and program steering committee before authorizing final closure. During lessons learned, the program manager captures and documents the lessons learned from the components for the benefit of future managers. During stakeholder engagement, the program manager communicates the closure and transition status to stakeholders and ensures their needs and expectations are met. Program delivery includes all program activities required for coordinating and managing the actual delivery of programs. Program delivery has 3 subphases: component authorization and planning, component oversight and integration, component transition and closure. In this video, you learned about these subphases and the critical activities that must be performed in each subphase.